Good morning to all. Myself, Arul Soumya, working as an assistant professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So here I am going to discuss a topic on data visualization. So here is an overview. Here we're going to see a recap of a previous session and then content delivery. Then we are having a real-time example and then brainstorming question and DT-based delivery. So here the recap of EDA. That is EDA, exploratory data analysis. Here the definition is examine and summarize the data to find patterns and anomalies. So what is the purpose of we are using the EDA? We can detect the missing values, outliers and relationships. And the numerical data in the sense the continuous or discrete numbers. That is, for example, age, sales, data values can be in a numerical data. So, and then we can get a categorical data like groups or categories like gender, region, or a department, or what are all the data we are getting. We can get a category wise or group wise. So what is data visualization? So here a data visualization is a graphical representation of data using visual elements like charts, graph, maps and dashboards. Like its main goal is to make data easy to understand and spot the patterns, and we can identify the trends and support the better decision making. So what are all the types of data visualization? So there are so many types here by visualizing the data in a bar chart, pie chart, scatter plot, line chart, heat maps, and histograms. So this is a real-time example. So we are hitting a college attendance analysis here. So the overall attendance dashboard and our absence trends and absence list are here, shown here. So using pie chart, they have given overall absent percentage today. So like we are splitting the categories into campus 1, campus 2, campus 3, campus 4, and campus 5. So like we are getting the absent and absent trends in a bar graph. So using these charts, different types of charts, we can analyze what are the attendance analysis of current or specific day, today or yesterday. We can get the analysis here. So this is the real-time example too for a supermarket dashboard. So here the supermarket dashboard analyzes a sales performance and inventory management and customer insights. Like we can get a daily revenue, like what all the products have sold, what all the products are stocked here. So like this, the categories has split in here. Like what are all the menus, that is a critical items, like for example we can get milks, eggs, vegetables, fruits in a categorical way, and we can show the data in a pie chart way. So using the customer insights or customer reviews, we can get the number of members or what are all the customer satisfaction has entered in the data. So this is the brainstorming question. So here we are getting a student performance dashboard. Like the problem is a teacher find it difficult to analyze students' performance quickly using raw marks. So what are all the ideas proposed here? So using the bar graph, using the scatter plot, so using the pie chart, so using the heat map, we can get a student marks by subject, and we can get subject performance by heat map, and we can get the performance progress by the graph plot, and we can get the pie chart by using pass versus failure students. So like this we can get a students performance in a dashboard. So this is the brainstorming question two, that is a job skill demand analysis. So the problem is students don't know which skills are most in demand in a job market. So using these graphs, we can get what are all the job skills are demanded here, like a top in demand skills and skill demanded by location and demand growth by overtime and skills by job roles. So now we are going to see a case study problem, that is a mobile app for online food delivery. So here the problem is users are confused by too many options, and they check out the process is complicated, and it is difficult for user to track their orders, and the users want a simple, fast and clear app that saves times and reduces the frustrations. So using design thinking, we can solve the problem by, firstly, we can have the empathy. That is, we can understand the user problems, like what are all the problems, too many choices, confusing checkouts, and tracking troubles. And then in define part, we state the problem clearly. By user needs a simple and fast food ordering app that reduces confusion and saves time. So keep it simple and initiative and reduces the choice and confusions. And next, the ideate. So in ideate, we can generate the ideas for solutions, like how might we design a simple and fast food ordering app that reduces the confusion and saves the time. And in prototype, we can build a sample solution by simple and fast food ordering app, like easy order tracking, a streamlined menu, and one-click checkout. So the next one is test. So in test phase, we can get the feedback and iterate. So is the app is simple or fast enough, by using our reviews, a positive feedbacks or negative feedbacks, so that we can get the test results here. So this is the assessment, that is a gamification dashboard. So using these uh, bar charts and pie charts, we can get the leadership board here. So on the assessment two is data visualization first. That is, we are having the data inspection, visualization task, insights quest, and data and dashboard designs. So using these, we can get how the products, or how we identify the data set, how we analyze the data set, and how we create the charts, and how we build an interactive dashboards. So using these data, we have to question a challenge by using these products, by getting the exploration of e-commerce data to reveal the trends and insights using visualization on a dashboard. Thank you.